Yes, people, we are still here in Pattaya, Thailand, and it is a hot and humid one. We're a little bit late out of the house, and I haven't drove in Thailand before. I've drove little motorbikes, but Gordon loaned me his car. The boat. And that is what we just drove through Pattaya city centre. That's why I'm sweating.
Oh.
Somebody's doing some shopping. Right, people, if you come to central Pattaya, the shopping mall, ground is actually basement and one is actually ground. So central is basically, it's just a big shopping mall. Very westernized. You've got your Pandora, Victoria's Secret, Marks and Spencer's even, Sunglasses Hut. But these are actually real sunglasses. Not like the ones you buy outside. But they're also 50 times the price. Even got an H&M in here. Calvin Klein. But I've seen the Calvin Klein down on Jomtien market for like 3 pairs of Calvin Klein boxers for 50 baht, like £1.20. So why are they so expensive in there? The footpaths over here are an adventure in themselves, with broken bits, trip hazards, electrical wires, really skinny bits, and then sometimes they'll have a tree growing out in the middle of the path. Well, people, I think I'm having one of them kind of days. I've just been taking pictures of the lovely palm trees and things. It took me 3 attempts to take that picture because I kept saying, what's that dark thing at the top of the screen? Clean a lens. What's that? It's still there. Clean a lens. I'll show you what it was. That's what I was doing on my camera lens. I was holding it. What an idiot. Or as my t-shirt says, you dowsy little twonk. This is one of the many shops on Beach Road, full of high quality goods. I mean, come on, Gucci t-shirt. It's Gucci. What I hate about them kind of shops though is they just don't have price on anything. Like, nought at all has a price on. So that means you've got to go ask somebody. When they ask you, they always give you a high price. Then you've got to haggle them up and down. Just give us a friggin' price. Girl, look at that. All the scaffolding's just made of bamboo tied together. More shops with genuine knockoffs. Sorry, bro. And again, nothing has a price on it. And if you fancy your O-ring massage, that's the place to go. Got a fellow vlogger over there using his 360 camera. Can't get enough of these things now. 29 baht, which is about 60p, and you get a ham and cheese toastie and the toaster in the shop for you. 7-Eleven. We're going to have a wander up one of the soyas off Beach Road up towards Second Road, turn left and head back down towards the car. Beep, 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 beep. We don't want it, so piss off. Look how crazy the wiring is here, man. Look at that. And the footpaths. Thailand. The only country in the world where it's safer to walk in the middle of the road. Seriously. Soi 13. Looks a busy one. Mobile shop. So we'll walk down Soi 13, back on the beach road and heading back towards where the car is. So it's just a little bit of a mooch around for you. Look at that sunset, look at that. Whoop whoop chicken soup. Well, we've finally made it and we've finally parked up at Jomtien at the big market. Not the market that we went to last time. It's a smaller market than that, but it's called the big market, even though it's smaller than the actual big night market. Yeah. And what should have been a 15-20 minute drive took about an hour because of Emma's utter shite instructions. You need to turn left at that one, you know, like when you go past. Anywho, we are here. So this is the start of it. You can see it's all lit up with pretty lights. Ooh, Ellie, garlic bread. That's a fat sausage. That's what she said. Howdy, Cap. And that's how I felt whilst driving. I'll have that one on a stick. Oh. This market seems a lot tamer than the other one. A lot quieter as well, as in there's not as many stalls, so these ones are all missing, look. So all those tents used to be full. And like I say, this was another row of food stalls. They seem to have pulled out for some reason. It is a little bit hidden away, to be fair. You only see one little small section of it, just the entrance at the front, because just there is a 7-Eleven which kind of blocks the market. Exactly, Mara, that's what I was thinking. Even a lot of the little barrows around here, they seem to be empty as well. There's my jack potato, but she gave us a packet. Looks a bit dodgy. Pad kapow with egg. It was a bit of a food challenge with how hot that was. It's spicy. So there you go, folks. That was the big Jomtien market, which isn't as big as the other Jomtien market. So yeah, work that one out. Anyhow, shall see you all in the next one. Ooh, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like, comment, follow, share, ring the bell, all of that good stuff. See you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.